recorder and
अच्छा और मैं पोज दे रही हूँ. Okay.
hey Komal,
Hi Ashish.
guess what?
What? What?
You really wanna know?
Yes.
Chocolate Fire podcast is the best podcast on this planet.
You know, whenever we come at this Starbucks, we'll not reveal the location. Yeah, the Bengaluru's one only. Everybody knows him. Like, hi Ashish, how are you? Like with mask on, they still recognize him.
I think they are my followers.
And they know how much, like how many, this one, how many ketchups he needs. He needs 4 ketchup, so they'll give already 4 ketchup. Otherwise, to other customers, they'll give only 1. Yes. Ashish has fan following everywhere. You can see in Starbucks also.
Not really. I'm happy if I'm not having a fan following where I'm recognized in the streets.
If you are genuine, if you make your content good, obviously you will be happy. Although you are not wanting it, but you will be happy anyway. You'll be having it.
That would be terrible, I think. I don't want to be famous.
That's what happens.
I don't
with
want
the-
you to be famous either. Honestly.
Even I don't want to be famous. I never thought about that. I would be famous one day and I'll be on screens everywhere. I just want to do my work honestly. Like I just love acting, you know. If you'll put a camera in front of me, I'll start doing acting. If you'll put a camera for a big business also, I'll start acting. Like I enjoy it and I will still love it. No matter what, like whether I'm getting famous or not.
Now I'm starting to appreciate it. That less amount of people are actually intellectual who is going to appreciate good work. Because I want to do good work and you want to do good work. Less number of people are going to appreciate that. That means that we are not going to go batshit crazy things ever.
Ashish, I'm sorry I'm interrupting you, but our voices going there?
I don't know. I don't care.
Okay. Let's make it like this. I think now we are in frame. I'm hoping so. Yes. Now tell me.
So I'm saying
Yeah.
that it is actually good that if you're doing good work, less people are appreciating because you don't really want to be famous. I think I would be a big failure in my life if I go like Bollywood celebrity level famous. You can't do anything after that. You can't walk on the streets.
Exactly.
Dumb people are your followers who are making tattoos of you.
Even if we earn 40,000 in a month, we'll be good to go, no? If we are living a very free life.
No, see, there's no
That's our criteria, no?
No, what I'm saying is there's no nobility in poverty. Right? We don't want to be poor. We want to be rich. Rich enough, like we don't have stupid dreams. But we want.
No. We are like, if we have free life and we are earning 40,000 also, we can live very happy.
But
that much happy only as if we are earning 5 lakhs also.
we don't have a free life with 40,000 income.
Free life in the sense, no burden, no worries, no responsibility. We don't need to answer anyone.
Yeah, that
we
is
don't
all,
owe anything
that
to
is
anyone.
well and good
Yeah.
until a very close, let us say, someone very close to you gets cancer,
Yeah.
and then you have to pay a lot of money.
And that's one hypothetical situation, actually.
But
So obviously we are going to make
you
it
know
big.
how close to that I came.
Yeah.
So that can happen at any point. So you want money saved in your account. You want money. After that, don't spend it like an idiot. Don't ride Ferrari.
Yeah.
You want money.
Actually, buying Ferraris and buying these expensive cars, I think this is kind of bullshit.
Yeah,
Like,
that
it
is.
will give the same kind of comfort
Yeah, and
the normal car will
the
give.
people who are buying Ferraris are not actually rich. They are trying to show themselves as rich. That is the biggest problem. Steve Jobs or Bill Gates never wore, let us say, a Prada
Yeah.
or Louis Vuitton. I do not know. How
Louis
to
Vuitton.
Yeah, but those big brands,
Yeah.
they just walk in with a normal casual dress, but they are having billions in their bank.
Okay.
You know my members only live session, the 13th one that I did. Out of that, you said that you should post this clip where I was talking about decisions.
Yeah.
Decisions.
Should we just pause it and see whether everything is
No, you're worrying too much about that. That is the point. I think that was my best performance in a long time.
decisions?
Yeah.
When I noticed that, I was hearing to it and I was very happy to hear everything. Like your actions, your decisions. Your actions can be wrong, your decisions are never wrong.
Yeah, so that is what I am at
Yeah.
the core. I'm the one who brings different thoughts.
Yeah.
I'm feeling that I've not been bringing different thoughts for a long time. When you turn on the lights properly, when you turn on the camera and you focus it properly and you white balance it, I think at the same time you're switching off the artist inside of you. That is why I'm not caring much about the camera right now, and I would tell you not to do the same.
Yeah, I see. One more thing I wanted to tell you. Because last 1 month basically was a very crucial month, if I say, for us.
It was a pivotal month. It changes people.
Yeah, it has taught us many things. It has changed us, in fact, both of us in many ways.
It has slapped us with reality. What
And-
is reality? Now, that kind of pain, how you deal
No
with
matter what you do, it never goes off,
it.
right?
No, it does go off.
With time it will go off, but
Not
at
really.
that moment when you're feeling that intensity of that pain.
With time, you learn to deal with it. Or that is what I'm saying. Why does some people change in a good direction, some people change in a bad direction? Because that pain, no. Some people learn to deal with it with positivity. Some people learn to deal with it with negativity.
Yeah.
Some people will say that I'll never, for example, a breakup happens, and a person says that I'll never ever trust anyone ever. That is a negative change. And the same person says I'll find out what made it worse, and I'll make sure that I never ever do that thing again to another person.
Yeah.
So it changes people. That is not in your control.
Yeah.
You cannot stay the way that you were after some incidental thing like that ever happens.
Yeah.
See, the kind of life that we are living now, for example, what would have been normal life for you? You cracked net examination, you would have gone for PhD.
Some IITs or maybe in foreign also, like if I would have applied for this GRE also, I'm pretty sure I could have cracked it. Like brilliantly, I know that. Because I'm very much interested in all the subjects which are there in GRE, right? So I know that I could have cracked it with very good marks.
Your score at 10th board and every
And
score that you are having
everything-
is
yeah,
perfect.
it's perfect, and I think I could have landed up to MIT only, right? Like the amount of hard work I did for NET, if I would have done for this one GRE also, I know I could have landed up there also. But I don't want that kind of life, you know that.
That is the thing.
Yeah,
I really find it admirable that when 10 people pays me 1500 rupees each and
Yeah.
believes that I can change their personality
exactly.
when I'm 26. It is very difficult to trust a person like me. I'm not aged. I look younger than what I am. I dress much younger.
Yeah.
Basically,
Most of people think you are in your 20 or 21.
No.
Maybe below that.
trusting me is
Yeah.
like trusting a 18-year-old person, right? Although I'm not 18.
Yeah, like physically, you know.
No, by the persona that I put. I am not very professional when I talk. I say fuck all the time.
Yeah.
I color my hair.
Yeah.
I'm wearing a sleeveless right now.
Yeah.
And I'll walk into a seminar like this. Right?
Yeah.
So that is not a
You always wear your flip flops, no?
Yeah, I'm flip flops. Right?
Yeah.
So trusting me is incredible.
Yeah.
My channel name is Top 47 Club.
Yeah.
At least 1,000 people have said so far that you would have done much better
Yeah.
if you just name it like Torque Competition or the
Yeah.
Competitive World or
Yeah.
Gate or something like that.
Yeah.
But that is the thing. The people who can trust me, they can never lose the trust
Yeah.
after that. Because it takes a lot to trust me.
Yeah. And
But-
the way, one more thing, Ashish, your channel is growing so exponentially, no? Like, because of your genuinity and your honesty only, I feel so.
I believe that I genuinely create
No,
good
like,
content.
I believe if anyone in this world is doing something very honestly, good things will happen to him or her. I believe so. And you never I knew him since, I know you since 1.5 years, right?
Yeah, 2019 March.
Yeah, 1.5 years, right? So I know you never have used anyone for money. You never even asked someone for more money. You never charge much like that. Even you used to do it like whenever. Now there is need. When you didn't have any need, when you were working in ISRO, you were doing it for free. Now you have to charge because how will you survive, right? So that kind of honesty and genuineness, like no, I'm not going much than that. This is enough, and I'm going to promote only free material, like that. So those principles, those morals, I think they help in like going further in life.
I think that I'm not doing this for them.
Yeah.
I think that I'm doing this for me only in the long term.
So obviously, other people are getting benefited, no?
See, that is again like, do you know enough to know that you're
This
right?
is turning into a podcast, son.
Yeah. So that is the thing, no?
Yeah.
You know enough to know that you're right. Or do you
Yeah.
know enough to know that you're wrong?
Yeah.
So in the first reflex, that is what they teach in the business school. So this is how you need to run. You need to run advertisement. You need to charge people.
Yeah.
They will say these things that you should not sell anything for free and all
Yeah.
that. And I'm like, yeah, I'm also not selling everything for free. Obviously, I'm charging. I've always charged what I'm worth. My first
Yeah.
webinar cost 1,500 rupees. That is
Yeah.
huge. People who are
Exactly.
running advertisement on Facebook and all, they are charging 200 rupees per
Yeah.
person.
Yeah.
But what they are doing, 50 people in a class, the class lasts for only 3 hours. What are you going to teach in that?
Yeah. Yeah.
So I've always believed that if you do it like that, you understand your worth, you understand what people actually want. People, no matter what you do, they are not always going to buy the idea that you are going to sell an idea that you can do that.
Yeah.
People actually want change. Can you do that? Can you actually add value to a person?
Yeah.
If you can do that, they will pay. Because I know that what I can create is worth more than 1,500. It is
Yeah.
definitely. How much money did I make today? 5 lakh rupees.
Yeah.
Because of what? Because of a personality development course.
Yeah. Exactly.
So that is like minuscule. Why do students after 10 years come back and give big gifts to their teachers?
Yeah.
Because they know that bigger than that gift that teacher has given to them.
Yeah. That also one more thing viewers must not be knowing, that you have literally said no to so many sponsors.
Yeah.
Like you
And
have
the same
limited.
sponsors
Yeah.
would come back.
Yeah, and you have limited the amount of videos which are sponsored, right?
Yeah.
So I don't want to do more than this much. This much.
I could have
this
done
many
30.
number.
I could have done 30 videos
Exactly.
sponsored every month.
Yeah.
And I could have earned like 10 lakh rupees.
I'm so much happy that actually the Skillshare approached you. Hardly, I've never seen Skillshare sponsoring any Indian YouTuber.
It does not
But
happen.
yeah,
It does not
very
happen.
much happy.
They have
Very-
sent a full playlist
Yeah.
of all the YouTubers they have sponsored. Zero Indians.
Yeah, yeah.
They are not Indians.
You saw that?
Yeah, I'll show you. They have sent all the people they have ever sponsored. They are no
Yeah.
Indians.
Wow, that's so amazing, no?
That is the problem. Like
Yeah.
Indians are tainted by their environment so badly.
Yeah, because now other YouTubers what they are doing that, okay, they are like मोदी जी ये करो या आप हमारी सुन लो देश बर्बाद हो जाएगा. They are making that kind
They are
of thumbnails,
frustrated.
making such type of content. Like the one who are professional in the field, like the professional sponsors will never ever sponsor those kind of videos, right? You agree to it, and even I agree to it. So
That is what I'm saying. Like they do not know enough. They want to earn money. I want to
Actually-
earn money. I want to give profit to people who are watching
Yeah.
my viewers. They
Yeah.
also want to add,
yeah,
but they're lost somewhere. They
Yeah.
think that they have to play this game. They have to do this. They have
Yeah.
to make videos in Hindi.
Yeah.
They have to listen to their crowd. Whatever
Yeah.
they say, they have to do that.
yeah,
You know how much I was harassed to make video in this, make video on this. I want to make video on
yeah,
this. That is not my domain.
exactly.
So for the last few months, people are saying make video on IIT How
Yeah.
the fuck will I make videos on IIT I did not
Yeah.
qualify it.
Exactly, Ashish. Just skipped off my mind what I was saying. Forgot.